Nkateko na go ranza nkateko. Hey mama, morena tropicana. Ah, mama Africa. African queen, I like how you do everything.
Okay, what's popping with people? It's a candy and I'm back with another episode of Feela or Byang. Today, I'm W. More. What's this place, Kana? Yeah, I'm W, but then you know what it is. Before I can tell you a little bit of what's going on, please make sure you subscribe to our channel, like, share, and subscribe, spread the word, guys. You know, tell people who are having a crash. You know, Wang Feela or Byang, you know. So today earlier on, like I read Dimaka's email. I don't know the crash. More a guy called Thabiso. So I'm just gonna call her. You know, keep the lena. I'm putting her hira halang kimutusa Byang. So yeah, Dimaka's gonna join us. Guys, hi Dimakato.
Hi.
Okay.
Today, when
Didn't like it. But like you like your interview. I mean your email earlier on. So like we're gonna crash more Thabiso, right? So like okay. So like how long has it been?
It's been a year now, because I met him. I didn't actually met him. I saw him.
Okay.
At the event, guy. He was like. I was like, damn, man,
Oh.
who's this guy? So I actually wanted to find everything out, you know. So I've been crushing since then. I've been going to his event since then until now.
So like,
then,
how are the events in the high? Like, oh, notice at all.
like there's a lot of people, so you can't. You know, everybody loves Thabethe. So like, it's very difficult to get noticed. You like have to up and down a bit, you know, and all that. Yeah, so.
Okay, so like out of like all the shows, like all the live shows, Mom Simona, like okay, like on Feela and like how do you think we're going to?
I know you guys do your job.
Okay,
like,
okay, thank you.
So I know it's gonna be a quick thing, and then you know, we'll be done, and then I'll get it out there.
Okay, so like no negative for like a platform for Thabiso for like so then like Glenn Habu Hela like on Feela you know you were really genuine about your story. So yeah, I'm just gonna give you the platform. So yo.
Hi Thabiso, Kitmakato. I don't think you know me, because I've been coming to events since last year. But then I know for sure you haven't noticed, because there's a lot of girls around you every time going to event there, you know, you wanna take a pictures and all that. But then the main reason I called this show is because I've been crushing on you since that day. And like I can't even get you out of my mind, especially since your last EP is out, you know, everything is like going crazy in your mind. So yeah, I'm hoping that the show helps me out, and then we can meet and talk everything out. Yeah, thank you.
Guys, you know, so like I'm just gonna help her. So no, you know, because you know, like the girl is in need of a boy. So guys, follow me, hurry, but the Thabiso. So yeah, guys.
I was lost in the world now. Don't lose hope, my honey. Keep in prayer. Nkateko na go ranza nkateko. Hey mama, mwana wa moshangani. Ah, mama Africa. Nkateko na go ranza nkateko.
Okay guys, guys, we back. Sorry, rephonetse Thabiso, right? Thabiso again. So rephonetse Thabiso, and then like go do me to parking for So like how are you feeling? Are you okay? Are the nerves fine?
The nerves are like 100 and something right now.
Wow, so like, hey Thabiso, like, do you think we're going to or Otohana and like?
He doesn't look like a weak guy, so I don't know.
You'll see what so like tell me. So like okay, like tell me like the type of person he is.
From far?
Yeah, from far.
Cause to him like, wow, he looks a bit like somebody who's calm, you know. He loves like people, because you know he said he's all about like,
it's
all about people. So like being around people, I think it's actually good for him. But then Harper again, he looks advisable, because you know a lot of people be like, you know, I spoke to Thabethe about this, and then he advised me like this, you know. So he looks like a pretty good guy.
Okay, so that's like also like one of the reasons why you didn't crush me, because like he's like an advisable person.
Yeah, he's talkative.
Ooh, guys.
Outspoken, you know. he doesn't have those things. Yeah, if you do something and then he'll just like look at you and be like, okay.
So we feel like you need a person like him more how.
Exactly.
Oh wow, girl, busy guys. She needs a person like him, almost right, almost smart, you know, like an advisable person. So yeah.
Mama, wana wa moshangani. Mama Africa.
Hi. What's up? What's up? He can be the one you spoke to earlier on, ne? So the Makato come like going to a show. So Ari, like she has a question for me, so like I brought her to help her because like Ariana, you know, like the guts.
She has what?
Ariana like the guts, the whole board.
Hello.
So that's why I'm telling her to get the pizza, you know, just to break the ice.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, I'm just gonna leave you two guys to check it out. And Helen
I have
Pata.
this huge crush on you.
Dapat siapa guys? Never siapa guys?
Yeah, I think I came to an event. I think it was around March.
Which
Month
event?
end. Some was a Pumelela.
Oh,
Yeah, I came there once and I was like, you know, checking up the vibe. And then I was like, damn, you know, this is actually nice music. The vibe was good. And I came back again and again. So I've been seeing you. I was like, who's that fine nigga right there? I'm like, damn. Where can a lady find a guy like that? So it was like difficult almost to approach a guy and then almost how to actually feel and all that. So I wrote to the show to help me out so that we can actually sit down and talk, see how it goes. I hope you don't mind though, like when I wrote to the show and all that.
Oh, it's actually like I'm flattered. Then like, I mean, get at the show and maybe came but next say someone who got a normal telling or interview.
It happens a lot. I mean, like you have a lot of circle around you, a lot of volunteers. So it's a bit difficult to actually see everything like that. Yeah. So I hope you don't mind me asking a bit of personal questions.
I mean,
regarding actually, most importantly, your music. Yes, that's the main other part why I have this huge crush on you. So like, like the passion for music. Like you told me like Wang, you know. How did you start like writing and all that? Yeah.
I mean, I started Kilimfang. I think about when I was like 9. That's when I wrote my first song. Kilego grade 3. So, yeah. And then I moved from that later on. The music in a deeper sense. Keyboard, next thing I started playing guitar and then started composing a lot of songs and different styles. And then I took that producer
I realized, or mostly when I came to Shambu Pumelela, you do this beautiful face painting. What's that all about? Like the weird hairstyle, the vibing clothes, like vintage kind of vibe, like it's all guys.
Like it's all about connecting with my roots. I'm an African man and I love the African culture. So it's all about me embracing that part of my heritage. I want to know like I'm wearing a hat from Lesotho to the beach. You know, it's all about embracing myself as an African.
Please don't live where home is, because I'm a bit lost out here. So recently I was like searching through myself and I saw this post that you released an EP and I listened to it I think like 5 times before I even downloaded it. Like it was so dope. So it talks about this African beauty. Like, can you explain further what's actually the song? What is it about? Like, what did you write it? What feelings were you feeling at that moment? Like the inner feelings. I want those ones.
The inner feelings.
The inner feelings.
Now, Kateko is from my EP. Thank you for checking it out. It's from my EP African Alien, which talks about Africa, the different sounds that I took from Nigeria. There's Afrobeat, there's Afropop from South Africa. There's different styles. So Nkateko is a song about appreciating Mosadi wa Africa and African women you know, just appreciating her and telling her that, you know, she's amazing. That's what the song is about. I don't know if you've seen the music video because it's out.
I did,
Yeah.
and I was like, okay, now I need to actually see this guy like face to face. And it felt like it was a dope music video. I actually loved it. So like, how many songs are in your EP? Like the whole EP?
It's a 80. I didn't want to make it too long. Also, I didn't want to make it too short because I can feel like the idea. That's why I want to be not or from the first song, podcast, like different songs have different sounds.
Okay.
That's why I give it African alien. The alien part it describes or it's not about a specific genre. It's alien. It's anything. It's everything. You know. Yeah. So that's what I was doing basically. Yes.
Okay,
So it's
so
8 songs.
Question I wanted to get to actually since we got here. Do you have somebody special in your life? Is there a lady? Sorry to step on your toes if you are there. Is there a lady around?
What was the question there?
I wanna know. Guy. I wanna know. You know, you have to know almost everything about your crush, like that.
You know, like I'll say, you know, Nkateko. Every African woman is special, you know. And Nkateko is that song that appreciates every African woman, every woman from Winterfell, that's where I'm from, Antalang. So every woman is special to me. Yeah.
Wow.
Even you could be Nkateko because you're special. Like this is, my mind is blown already. Like you took so much effort to contact this channel and to actually get to me Antalang. They had to look for me because I was busy like doing marketing for the EP. So like anyone is a special to me. Anyone who supports me is special to me. Yeah.
Oh, hi. So did they
Well, I haven't actually asked the question. You know, I was a bit nervous.
Oh, okay.
So I needed lady support. That's why I called you back.
Okay, okay, the reason why, okay, I get a little bit of Byang, Mara, can you go out on a date with her?
Oh, so you wanted to ask me to go out on a date with me. Yeah.
So like,
Yeah.
I do arrange, so I'm here to help her.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, it's a date. On
well, a date, let's decide to go pay because you know.
Yeah, cause I really like, you know, how it was impressive for her to be that brave on Kalahanga. I mean, ke Spane hore like a lady o mo feel tshwana le ena le khotle atla go di show nga check the EP on Kalahanga. So she definitely deserves a date on Kalahanga. You deserve a date.
You deserve a date, girl.
And
you deserve a date.
Thank you.
and then we'll see on Kalahanga.
So,
Yeah.
Well, yeah, like I'm glad you came out, like you came through because you know, you know.
Yeah.
So, the Makato happy, you know.
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm glad, you know, like there'll be a date.
Yeah, I'm very much glad about that one. But
Okay.
I'm more glad that you guys helped me out. Like, yo,
You're welcome.
you guys
You're
did a great
welcome.
job.
Okay, so like even if like you know, like according to like I'm going on like you're still gonna attend the shows that high, you're still
All
gonna
the
like listen to
time.
the EPs, right?
All the time.
You're still gonna be her friend again.
Yeah, man. I mean, it's a blessing, like when I to come to our shows and to support us. Yeah.
Okay, so like thank you for your time, thank you for joining us, and thank you for hearing her out. So yeah, if you wanna give like your social media handles, like you can go ahead and give them to the people, like what we're doing EP to how, and then yeah.
Yeah. Nagin na Thabiso Thabethe bafwe to everywhere. Just search for Thabiso Thabethe, and my EP is titled African Alien. Lead single Nkateko. It'll be on the thing, so you'll check it out. Look for it. Yeah. Getting that.
Okay, so good to see that again. Like I did my job, right?
You did the job.
Okay.
Perfect job at that.
I'm glad I did my job, and I'm glad like you appreciate my job. So guys, you know, Kateko is out there. Please go, make sure you go check it out. Follow us on our social media platforms. If you want to just with me personally, you can catch me at Candy Go Get the One. got Instagram, I don't have Twitter, but I deleted my account. So Maria, it is what it is, guys. I'll just with whoever wants to just with me, guys. Campus Entertainment on Feela. Peace out, guys.
Mama, on the fresh air, la matanda,